Hi guys, welcome to another video of RW Outdoors. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I feed the birds and saying hi to the chickens. So the chickens are in here. Just going to give them some treats. They're already roosting. I'm just going to be giving them some bread and spinach. You can see they're already roosting. If you guys would like some more content, then go ahead and say in the comments what you'd like to see. First, we got our bread. And make sure we put them in small little pieces. Sorry about the lighting. It's starting to get dark. And after a little bit, I'll show you feeding the birds. Dang. So I'm just going to be giving them bread. And just give them bread. Hi, please check out Outside Adventure. He's a new channel just like I am. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm back here with part 2. I'm going to be showing you me feeding the birds. First, I'm just carrying around this bucket of bird seed. Open the lid here. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you like this bird feeder, pretty soon in this channel I'm gonna be showing you how to make this bird feeder. It's pretty cool. All you do is just screw that on there and it holds the platter. First thing, a couple scoops. And put it in the container. My mom has a lot of bird feeders and she likes the birds fed every day. Sorry about the road noise, we live next to a road. Just make it nice and full. Yeah, I make a lot of bird feeders for my mom. Sorry, it's hard to snap that on there. Let's take our bucket. Up. Let's see. This here one needs it. You guys like this one too. Maybe if you put in the comments if you want to see this one, I can show how I made this one. Just put the seed in there like that. Go to these other bird feeders. Sorry. And take a scoop. Put it in this window one.